Times Square can't shine as bright as you. I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance. I'm right there if you get lonely. Give this song another listen. Close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you... Why is it so low? Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. There, Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe me, girl, someday I'll play the bills with this guitar. We'll have it good. We'll have the life we knew we would. My word is good. Hey there, Delilah, I've got so much left to say. If every simple song I wrote to you would take your breath away, I'd write it all. Even more in love with me you'd fall. We'll have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 1,000 miles in pretty far, stranger guys, I'd walk to you if I'd had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'd just laugh along because we know that none of them have felt this way. I can promise you that by the time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same. And you're the flame my chest stopped. Hey there, Delilah, you'll be good and don't you miss me. 2 more years and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do. You know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you. Hey, welcome back. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Oh, 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 oh. I don't even want to write the songs anymore down. They're just... I don't have space to write the songs down.